break it.
Pull this up.
We need a burp.
There you go. Alright. So you always have 3 wires.
Wake up, Brayden.
Easy. No, his mouth is. He's munching.
Together.
It's the old sleep eating.
These racks, when you ship out to your customer, they have to be in tip-top shape because once it gets there, it's plug and play.
A lot of detail.
Oh yes, detail is the key to this. Sometimes my rack would show up 2 days before the opening of the hotel, and they have no room for
Brayden, wake up.
On there tight.
You have to eat.
Wakey, wakey. Done. Wakey, right on there. We call that sitting in the lock.
I'd never used a soldering iron before. I'd never actually seen anyone solder anything before. So didn't want to burn him or me.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. And lay it on top
Oh,
of it.
look at that. I know you're hiding a burp.
That's not right.
Get it out.
Now let me see. Did you do it
Get
correct?
it out, little
Yes.
man.
Would I let this out? No, I would not. You see how you have your wires hanging out? That could cause a short. If I didn't do this correctly and went out, got in your nightclub, and you got everybody in there, mixing, one side goes out. Now you got customers.
Try this
That's
way.
that phone call I will get the next morning. That one wire.